How to use live voicemail feature on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use live voicemail feature on your iOS or iPhone device. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application phone. After you find it, tap on that. From phone application, you'll have to scroll down and look for the option live voicemail. Simply tap on that. After that, simply tap and turn it on. After you tap and turn it on, you'll be able to use the live voicemail feature on your iPhone. After that, you can simply view a transcripts of an incoming voice call in real time and answer the call before it ends. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.